them off, and then we'll get all the rest of the paint off, and then we'll acid dip them. Trying to sand down where all these big pits are. It's got a lot of pitting in the metal. Real bad. All that was rust. All that is, I mean, that's hard to do anything with. I'd rather make new metal most of the time. Straightening up a bunch of dents in it everywhere, and just working little things out. I worked out a bunch of the other dents and things, and just working out a bunch of lines everywhere. Previous 50 years of damage. Shit. Was it 55 years old this year or something? Well, all the metal's been acid washed and cleaned. I've done some of the dent repair on cleaning the metal and walking and hammering down. Like there's a pretty big dent right here. It's got a line going across it here. Something smacked it. So I'll volley that out, and then I'm gonna put it in primer and cover the spots. I'm gonna put some of the epoxy binder on it that I put on here and take care of everything. That's about it. Let's go over what I'm doing real quick. Sanding this one down. If you look over there, that fender's been put in primer. I did all the hammer and dolly and worked out a lot of the dinks and dents in it on the outside. I put a real thick heavy coat on the inside. I'll flip it over later and do the outside. You come over to this fender. All these shiny spots here, all through here, and everything are where little dents are everywhere. Like it was in a massive hailstorm, both fenders. So I had to work out all kinds of dents. The other fender had a big dent across here. I worked out and got it really nice. And another one in here somewhere on the other one. So they're coming out really well. That's what I'm doing right now. Cleaning this one, getting ready to put this one in primer. Just cleaning out all the inside. I worked out the big dent that was in the middle. Right in here, it was creased in. I've gotten all that back out real nice. So I'm just gonna clean it all up and put it in epoxy today. And the same with the other one. So anyway, that's what we're doing. All right, real quick, what's going on? I'm getting ready to remove the skin on the 66 Fairlane on the deck lid. I begin to pull out all the spot welds. What you do is drill through one piece of the metal and then fold the metal up. One of the reasons is, come on around here. Right here, if you look, I've removed the caulk. Somebody had put seam seal and caulk in there, and that is a factory drain. So it's got rust all up in here. And on other videos and stuff like that, you'll see that it's got rust on the outside. Come over to this side and you'll see somebody put caulk in the holes. So it wouldn't let the moisture out. So that's trapped on the inside, but the proper way to do a skin, if you looked at other videos we do, you remove the skin, you clean the metal, you acid clean the metal, you put all of it back in epoxy, and then you put it back together. We're doing a full restoration. This car will last for a long time if it's done this way. If you don't do this process, you have trapped rust on the insides of all your panels. And it will eventually come out. If it doesn't come out just in moisture and weak, rusty water all over your car, it will come out. All right, that's what we're doing.